Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to swap face easily using Canva. So let's get started. First just open Canva and then just create a new designs like this, and then next just go to apps and then just search for a face. This app, just click on it, and then next just choose the photo, just upload the photo that you want to edit like this, and then next just upload the photo with the face that you want to use. Just click on the plus button and then just choose the photo like this, and when you're done just tap on swap face. And okay, like this your new image is ready. Like this you can see the difference. Next, when you're satisfied with the result, just click on add to the sites. And okay, that's it. Face swapping in Canva is super easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.